Hi, CJ Crum from First Line Technology here to showcase our K9 Decon Kit. The K9 Decon Kit comes in a black sling bag that can be adjusted to the wear very easily. Also, it comes with a SOS bottle cap sprayer. This bottle cap sprayer can be attached to any size bottle of water made up to 1 gallon and be used as an emergency eye wash or an emergency shower procedure for cleaning the canine. Inside of the kit, we have a disposable lead that can be used in order to control the dog, buffered eye wash solution to be able to clean out the dog's eyes if they are exposed to any type of contaminant. Also inside, we have a tourniquet muzzle that can be used to be affixed around the muzzle of a dog to make sure that they do not bite the person that is trying to do decon or anyone else around them. Inside of the kit, we have a 3-foot by 3-foot piece of fiber tech that is made to cocoon the dog to keep transfer from the dog to the handler. Also, 3 pieces of fiber tech. These 3 pieces of fiber tech are being used for the key points, places on the dog where the absorption can take place. Typically, the eyes, nose, and mouth, anus, and the pads of the dog. Last but not least, 1 fiber tech mitt is included for the handler, so the handler has a way of being able to decon themselves in the event that they get any type of contaminant on them while trying to decon the dog. Not only can this kit be used for working dogs, but this can also be used for deconning service animals as well.